Hey, Algebra 2. So get ready for your test that's on Thursday. So it says this problem says using the graph of f of x equals x squared as a guide, describe the transformation and then graph each function. So remember that the transformations come in the form of, I'm just going to write it all out real fast. In this form, f of x equals a parentheses x minus h and parentheses squared plus k. So remember that A represents a reflection across the x-axis if it is negative, or a vertical stretch or compression. And then H represents a, since it's right by the x, which is your horizontal line, it's a horizontal shift. And K is your vertical shift. Alright, so let's see. What is shifted here? This 2 is that H, so we know that it's some kind of horizontal shift, one way or the other. And then we have this K here. So the question here is just if it moves left or right, or versus, and if it moves up or down. So in the original form of the problem, it says x minus h, which means your negative is your normal movement, which I always consider to be normal. It'd be a right movement. So a negative would be to the right, which means a positive is to the left. So the first thing it tells you is that it's going to be the left direction 2. So I'll say left 2. Now here it shows that for your vertical motion, it's plus k, which means that your normal motion is going to be your up, which is your up motion, is a positive. Well, this is a negative, so that means it's going to be down 4. So we have it's left 2, down 4. There's no A, so we know that there's no horizontal stretch or anything like that, and there's no reflection across the x-axis. So let's graph it now. I'll set up the coordinate system. Alright, so we know, because it says using the graph of this as a guide, well, let's draw that out so we know what that is. So our guide is f of x equals x squared. So we have 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and negative 1 squared is also 1. 2 squared and negative 2 squared are both 4, so we're going to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our general form, y equals, or f of x equals x squared. So the only thing that's happening is that it's moving left 2 and down 4, nothing else. So we know the left 2 brings each of these points left 2. So we could put each of them left 2, left 2, left 2, left 2. And then also, each of them is going to have to go down 4 from there. So it's going to go down 4, down 4, down 4, down 4, down 4. Now this process that I'm doing is just so you can see that each of the points is moving. You don't have to do each and every single one of those steps. Oops, also I messed up this last one. Hold on, let me fix that. Should be down 4 from here, down 4 from here. So those are our new points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And our new quadratic, our new parabola, is right there. So the only thing you really have to draw is that red graph that I drew here. And that's it for problem number 1 on Algebra Practice 41.